From farm to market. This week, Market Bag takes on St. Catherine, and we're here in Heartland on his farm with Samuel King.
Hello.
Hi, Samuel. What kind of farm we need, Samuel?
I farm currently okras, sorrel, and sweet potatoes.
And we'll be doing some other shopping at the market.
Sure.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Farmer King, what are the factors affecting the cost of produce?
Well, we have to mitigate climate change, which is very adverse in terms of heat and when we have torrential rain. So that is a big issue in terms of the cost of fertilizer, insecticide, all of that. If the government would step in and start to manufacture like the fertilizer, chemicals, then the cushion would be minimal, so that would pass on to the e-glass vendors and eventually the consumers.
So you would be selling your items for one cost and consumers would be getting for a different cost. How do you feel about that disparity?
Well, that disparity, I do not really have the control over that because you sell from the farm to the vendors and they now would do their markup. More farmers should come in and go directly to the consumers.
Finding the prices this week?
I think the price is good. It depends on what though, but the price is good, and I think he's giving us a good deal.
Sure. What are you getting today?
We want to get the pineapple.
Okay, all right. Happy shopping.
Thank you.
So how are the prices?
Well, fine, because I try to deal with my customers so reasonably, Buy it for $30, I don't want to sell it back for $60. Because the expense to transport it here, I try to deal with the customers reasonably and myself. As I say, I just need something to keep me going.
Okay.
Yeah. Not stretching it out to burden the customers.
For market day, it's kind of slow. What do you think is impacting the turnout?
Well, the spending power, I think, of the consumers is really low. Various factors, The economic pressure is one, and the general hardship that people is facing.
Okay, how did you find the prices this week compared to previous weeks?
Well, it has been fluctuating. It's more on the upside now. So each week, it seems as if it's going on the upside.
But nonetheless, I always encourage you guys to come out and do your shopping. Farmer King, thank you so much for joining us on Market Bag. Until next time, bye guys.